You ever wondered why the sealant around your skirting boards and coving cracks? This is a very simple question to answer because they're nearly always water-based products. The traditional caulk is generally a filler made up of acrylic and water, which invariably evaporates after curing, then shrinks in all different directions, causing the bead to crack, split and break over time. It's an all too common sight to see above skirting boards, around door frames and also at the top and bottom of your ceiling coving, whether you painted it yourself or had a professional painter and decorator do it. Like with all construction materials, the technology moves on, and nowadays, although there's still cheap and cheerful decorators caulk and fillers available which can do a decent job, some are better quality than others, there's now newer options available, such as siliconized caulk, a polymer-based sealant, such as 3C's polymer, which does an excellent job of gap filling and allowing you to paint over the top perfectly well for a longer lasting seal. This is because it has better elasticity and will accommodate movement much more efficiently than the water-based acrylic sealants. Hopefully that's answered your question, but if you want to see more how-to videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.